what's the day? Tuesday. Lose track of days sometimes. Tuesday, May 8th, May 2nd, 2023, or better known as day 78 of the $100 account challenge. I'm late this morning getting down here, getting logged in, so I'm behind the curve a little bit, but yesterday I rushed myself in a small account and I hopped on the stock that I shouldn't have. And I knew better to do that, but rookie mistake. End up covering, getting out of it, but still, I shouldn't have did that. Alright, so it's currently 8:58 a.m. and here's your disclaimer. Please do not follow what I'm doing. There's a guy on the internet who trading stocks. So you can do your own due diligence and watch what I do, make your corrections you need to make. But all I'm doing is simply chronicalizing a year-long worth of trades, starting with $100 in the account, in an attempt to build up to 10,000 by June, which is only 2 months, a month away. End of June, so we can say 2 months away. Hopefully 100,000 by the end of the year. I think I will trade $100 today. Let me put that number right there for right now. But I think I have more than that to trade. Well, I know I have more than that to trade. So let me look at something right quick. I'm way behind. But doesn't mean I'm missing the action. Hold on one second. Alright, I got you. Let me log out of this. Checking my other accounts while I'm seeing which one I'm gonna trade today. I'll trade that one. Okay, alright. Let me open my other account. Hold on one second. Okay, so while I was logging in, I'm going to find a watch list. What's the watch list? Pre-market, that's one day, don't want that one. Pre-market. I thought I saw some stock this morning that was up like 100%. Yesterday's watch list. That's an update. Go ahead and update. I'll let it update. While I log in right here. Let me see. There we go. So we have our up 200%. We have TIRX. I'm sure it's Asian, if I remember correctly. Yep. Another Asian. Another one of those days, huh? Asian stock market. Another. Well, LEGAU. I think that's an Asian as well. We're gonna figure it out. WiFu is definitely Asian. Part 2 of Asian Stock Day. In this case, Chinese stocks, which are very freaking dangerous. I'm not saying don't trade them. What I am saying is watch for the rug pull, because it will happen. LILM. MSGM. OST. Add one more stock. MedX. I've been traded quite a few times. MedX. Okay. Do 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 do. I haven't had my coffee yet. I'm dragging this morning. I'm way behind. Golly. H-U-I-Z L-I-L-M-I-N-T-X M-S-G-M-O-S-T X. Alright. Let me see what's going on now. Yeah. Check EXT. Check all your settings before you even start looking around. You'll be like me sometimes, you're not checking your settings, and you look up, first red pullback, touching the green. I'm already at the buy-in right now. I think this would be, let me see, reversal. On the 1 minute, I'm looking right here. That's the pullback. It's still pulling back. Let me go over here to my charts. HOUR. TARX. Put that right there. Then I'm gonna add LXEH right here. Then I'm gonna add this last one, LEJU right there. This is no support resistance points right there. Just ran up to right about here for a support point, and this top of this candle, I'll make my resistance point. Let's see. Let me ask you guys what you guys see right quick. I'm already looking at these 2 hour. Already got my stuff set up. These lines already drawn. I didn't draw those, did I, today? Let's draw that last line right there. It looks like a line already drawn. Still support, almost. So my top 2, first it got to be hour. I'm watching for this pullback right here. That's a red to red. What's the news in this one? Let me get my coffee. It's no news yet. Just moving. I'll hold off today. Yesterday I made some errors in this small account. Ended up suffering because of it. Today, there was some support points right there. And this little channel right there, I'm going to draw it right there. You can't draw trend lines here because nothing to draw. It's like a flag. See right here? Bam, bam. That's the flag pattern. So it breaks this end of this flag. It's going to pop out or pop down. So my next point is 524. So I can buy like 19 shares of that. I want to put it right now. I'm sorry. Yeah, 19 shares of that. I'll put it right there at 19. As it popped out. See this move right here? If I get this red to green move here, I could have popped in back here on the red to green move, second green candle, hit 520. I'm watching this window right here. I think that's a bullish candle. Let me check it out right there. I'm in at 516, which is right here at this top of this wall. So it pops up here to, that's 560. That's 40 cents. 51 cent. We're gonna say 52 cent is 10%. So that'd be 88, which is the high of day. I'm gonna hold it for a minute and put it right here at that's 60. I'm gonna set it there for a second while I do other things. Put it at 70 while I keep searching. All right, so sitting at 70 right now, my sell point, right, which is high is 77. So all I need to do is make a new high. That was at 7 o'clock, so it wasn't like it was 4 o'clock a new high. It was 7 o'clock. That's a big difference. Let's see. Those 4 a.m. higher days, those are dangerous ones. Those be those pumps for real. Draw a line right there. One right there. One right there. And then one right. Like resistance became support at the same time. That's too close to the other line though. Let me get rid of that one. That's the high of that candle right there. Alright, see it touched here, touched there, almost touched here. So it should pop through again and break through that point. We up 300% on our HOUR. Well, 220. 55 million market cap, 2.72 million volume. It's leading volume by far. None of these other stocks even close to 1 million shares being traded, except for HUIZ, which is sitting, let me see. About to bust through this point, LECH. This 120 wall. Watch this 120 wall right here. Let me try HUIZ right here. Oh no, it's not a volume. It's not, yeah. It's a whole bunch exciting. See that wall about to go through? Watch. Yesterday with HLP, it ran up like 300% pre-market, then it pulled back over 200% before the market opened. This one pulled up 250 or 60%, then pulled back about 30-40%. Big difference yesterday. Both Asian stocks though. So we're gonna watch. This wall here is right here at 120. It's 9/11 right now. Let me go over here, add to my watch list. Let's add a few stocks I see up there. Look what it did. Look, it tapped it and it pulled back. That's a 120 mark right there. It tapped it. Over here, we in this channel still. So all I need to do is the next candle, 9/12, 9/15. Look here. It's been bearish since 8 a.m. Consolidating bearish, right? Red. You get a little pop right there, but it was a fake out. Another fake out. Pop through. But never made support above this. I need a green candle to make support above 520. Then we become bullish. Meanwhile, I was banging this 120 point. Coinbase got news. Let me see. LEJU should go back there. I better get out of bed this morning. Holy crap, man. It's getting worse and worse. I'm so burnt out. I'm losing focus. What we got? What we got? What we got? It looks like LXEH popped that 120 mark. Yeah, it did. Look at that, 120. There's that wall I was talking about. Pop right through it. See how much higher it can go. We're currently at 120, but look up here, bid and ask. $9.15. We got a new 5-minute candle coming in. We still seem to be bearish. We go to 5-day 15-minute chart over here. 2 red candles in a row. Still banging this point though. Pop off this point. Run through a market opening. There we go. 122, 123, 124. Look, 125. Did I put it in here? Yep, right here. There goes LXEH. So I was telling you back here, you need to pop this wall. It popped up to 117. Yes, candle came in, it popped up again. Now we're in the 130s, 134. Look at that. We almost at 140. I was saying right here, watch this resistance on LXEH. That was at 910. It's 916 right now. It hit 144. Go back to the 5-minute chart. VWAP right there. It's banging the VWAP. TIRX not doing much of nothing either. That's trading high, 8%. US points. What's the volume on this? Most of the volumes right here at 410 in a solid bullish pattern. Stair stepping. Look at that. All green 1 minute candles. So from 388 to 408, 408, 20-cent move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. 15-minute was with bearish, but 5 minutes, see that little bar right there, that green bar, that bullish bar coming in, it's turning burgundy. It's still trading between 40 and 70, so you need to curve up, look backwards. Look right here, previous point it was at 7 a.m. It hit at 9 a.m. Wait a minute. That's 6, 7. Not quite. 8, 9. This is definitely an Asian stock. They pumping these stocks up, man. They pumping these stocks up, man. LXEH. 161. That's crazy. I don't know. Delivery. 164. I called it. This didn't trade it. What is going on with these stocks this morning? Education. Chinese. But it's no news though. See this? Education stocks. Wafu. Education. What? M10, GR, Metex. This is where we traded before. It's 920. Why these stocks keep going? Well, the Asian stocks. I already know why. What the SPY doing? I'm still in the course. Stock with that hour. I'm still in hour, so I'm just looking around and trying to find something else and see what's going on. I kind of want to start trading SPY. Let me tell you why in a minute. Let me see something. Let me find a bigger chart. Let me go 5-day, 15-minute. This is why. SPY. This morning, right here. With SPY, I would trade 15-minute candles, I think. I wouldn't trade like I trade my other stocks. This is why. Look at SPY. 1 minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, 1 minute chart right here. It's only green, first green to make a new high. It's 4, we're going to say 414.62. It only went up 12 cents. So I wouldn't trade the 1 minute chart wise because it's not big enough moves. But 15-minute wise, look right here. We found this morning. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 5, 6, 8 a.m. So some of these moves here you see, 6:30 in the morning. Red to green move. First green make a new high right about here. 415. It went up to 415.39. It's not a big move. It's like 50 cents. Let me find a bigger range. $10 down, 30-minute. 30-minute gaps. Let me go tell you why I want to trade SPY. because I know it's going to move in waves regardless. It's never going to fail. It's going to be always a movement up, always moving back. The catch is trying to figure out is what time frame is the best time frame to trade it. Each candle here 30 minutes long, right? So if I bought in back here on the first green to make a new high, would have been about 415.52. And then it reached all the way up to, we're going to say $2, right? Profit. The problem is this trade here lasted 30, an hour, hour and a half. That's a 2-hour trade. But the pullback was brutal. So remember the high here was 417.08. It pulled all the way back. Touched my line though, right? To 415.52, which is almost where I bought in at. So it took away all those profits off one candle that I would have had if I was still holding when I first bought in at, right? I would have bought in back here, ran a few candles, got $1 or $2, voila, out the way. Now the problem is it's $400 stock. So if I bought 1,000 shares, right? Phrase that. I'm sorry. If I bought 3 shares, which would be 1,200 bucks. If it moves $1, I make $3. Too much risk to reward. So these you gotta probably buy options. Option would be 10% of that. So you buying 100 options for 400 bucks. And then the same move will be bigger with the option. So you must trade options, I guess, when you're trading in SPY. I gotta look into that. Let me make some calls. Let me look backwards. Look at this day here. This is on the 2nd. The whole day was bullish. Straight bullish. Pull back after market. Pre-market rather. After hours. Pre-market. Then ran up again. Hit that line I already have drawn. Went I straight across, consolidated. Market up against the day. Went up. Consolidated. Below my line right here. So the question is, at market opening, would it run again? It looks like at market, the best time to buy SPY. Look at that. At market, at market, at market. The last 3 days. Let's go back a little further. Let's go 180 days back, 1 hour. Make it real small for a reason. I'm going to tell you what. Let me draw a line right quick. Right there. Right there. There's distance point right there. Check this out. You notice at market open every day it runs up. 1, 2, 3. Except for that day and that day and that. Well, there ran up. Let's see. One day it runs up. Next day pulls back. Next day pulls back. Next day pulls back. Then it run up. Then it run up. Then it run up. Then it runs up for a bit and it pulls back and levels out. It pulled back. It pulled back. Okay, I see what's going on. We crossed over right here. Straight bullish. Now we're in the bearish cycle. We're bearish right now. Aha. I don't know about sitting here for 4 hours watching no stock though. I couldn't do that. I could not do that for 4 hours. But from here, market opening, it was 408 to a high of 413.72. Then it pulled back, came by into the green hits. That's after hours though. Missed the whole day on SPY. And there is still red. There is still red. The first green there you could buy in that. That's 2 o'clock. Could have made not even a whole dollar. The cross over here, there go the blue to the green. Bam. Bought in right there. You run it up. I might look into SPY. trading options on it. Look at QQQ. Doing the same thing. Looks like it. Bam, right up right there. From here it's 314 to 320. That's $6 almost. That's a nice little move. Pop in here, bam, within minutes. Get through $2 within minutes. Cross over here, bam. Get bought in right here at 317 to 319 almost. Wait a minute, man. Pull back. Cross over here, bam. 317 to 320 almost. I gotta check out that. 221? Wow. Wow. Could have been in back here. Could have made $1 on that. Charts. Losing right now on hour. What happened? What happened on hour, man? Let me go today. It popped through my resistance points. I wasn't watching. I wasn't watching. Broke through my channel. So you can't make alerts pre-market. Leading gapper, 12.9 million shares traded, 35 million share float. You can't make alerts during pre-market, so I couldn't do that. I can't lose 2 days in a row in a daggone pump stock. If I do, it's crazy. Look at that. We had a strong bull candle right here. We had a reversal occurring. Then just failed. Let's go. Where the buyers at? It's curving up strong. See that curve up? Come on, buyers. Turn this 15-minute candle green. Leading gapper. Up 170%. Let me put my candle in the sale right quick. Wow. Log my other account. I'm in at 516. I'll take my. Let me put it right there for a second. Wow, go over here. Log in. We bullish right here. Let's do all that. Come on, bullish. There we go. We bullish. Reversal. Let's go. Pop up. What we doing right here? I'm looking. We pulling back. I'm looking. Keep on going. Very, very bullish right here. My sell orders in. My other account trying to make some trades over here. There we go. We filled right there. All these stocks moving with no noise, with no news, which is crazy, right? All these stocks moving with no news. Bust through, bust through. Okay. Oh yeah, I can focus now. I'm back. Let's see. Bust through right here. Large green candle. Pop this wall. There go money. That's money sound. It sold my hour at 470. That's money. Bust through right here. And take out this sell point right here. And just watch it. It popped through 3 green candles. 1, 2, 3. Right? I'm in the fourth. The fourth should blow through this point. That's the support I had recently. Pops up above that. Hit this 520 wall. Pop through that. And we run. TRX is at 404. Second leading gapper. There we go. Green candle. Let's go. There we go. TRX. Yep, green on that one. What's going on with this daggone stock, man? How did it go that much and fail? That's crazy. It ain't even. It's in the channel. $17 million shares being traded. It's just dangerous game, man. Dangerous game. These Chinese stocks, dangerous game. That long green to halt it. Long green to halt it. Time and sale right here. Let's see. Here come the buyers. Here they come. Here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. There they go. Here they come. So the buyers piling in, trying to overfight short sellers. It's a leading gapper next to LXEH, which is halted right now. Check this out though. This thing also halted with no news. Mind blowing. There we go. Low through 450, 470. There we go. Get through there. 480. Make it halt on the up. Make it halt on the up. There go green candle. There go $5 coming. There it is. Look at this candle here. Dangerous. It pop up. Then it gets shorted out. But we good. Watch this green candle. It's going to halt on the way up. Watch. And definitely not get my money back. First green candle to make a new high. Right? It's not solid up top here like I want it to be. It's indecisive. It's burgundy candle. Reversal. We got fake outs before though. See that? We got fake out there, fake out there, fake out, fake out. But we need a long wick pop through this 550. I'll get out. Meanwhile, Wafu was moving at first. I saw it somewhere. There it is right there. 4 million share float, trading 2 million shares. Ours a little bit more than the float I like, but I traded anyway because I saw it up 220%. That's 2 days in a row. Asian stock was up 200% or more when I first got down here. And both times they failed. See a trend? We got how much? None to borrow. See that? That's a catch. We got 2 minutes left in this candle. Look at LEJU just sitting there. It hasn't moved in a minute. Is it halted? Let me go click on it for a second. LEJU, STRX. Came out the halt and failed. LEJU, is it halted? What's it doing? Not doing nothing, it's sitting there. It's sitting there. AMBO, what's it doing? I missed that one, didn't I? I'm looking at my stock still. I see hours still sitting there. AMBO, WAFU. WAFU is doing WAFU things. It's green and green. Get some buyers to come in on hour to blow through this. It's 470, 480 wall. ANGH. ANGH live news. Ain't no volume though. See that volume number? It's 237,000 shares. It's no volume. HUIZ, watching that earlier. Yeah, 430, 435. It's fighting. Should be way higher than that. LXEH is at 240, 244. Still going. Did it halt again? Dang, it sure did. And the sad part about it is, I saw this stock back here, at 9 o'clock. Look at my time again. 9 o'clock. I saw it, but didn't buy it. Why? 2 days in a row, I bought the leading gapper, which is up 200%. See a pattern here? Yeah. I seen it. I said, look at this wall. Pop the wall and look at it. Not doing this leading gapper Asian stock no more. It's over with. Never again in history. I'm down like 12, 13 bucks right now. That ain't a good move. Look at TRX still going. Let's see. Let me stay here for a minute. Should have popped through here and made support at this 480. Asian stocks is killing me. I know better than this. That was 480. It's 480 right there. I need 30 more cent to get my buying point. Then I need it to pop that. Holding up pretty good, nonetheless, even though we are failing. And news came in just now. Two-day May policy meeting. That's what's going on because the U.S. isn't trading most of their stocks because they're having a meeting. Asian stocks popping in and making it run, which is forcing you to take the bait. I know better than that, man. I know better than that. The small account be throwing me off because I try to get the count build so quick. I bought in back here, right, for parallel move. Next stop should have been boom, right? Didn't do that. Come on now, get up there, get up there. It's making lower lows on the 1 minute chart. 15 minutes indecisive. Buyers want to pop in, but they're not taking over. The volume is up here at the 440s. Time of sales is right here. See the fake out again? Just keep faking out right there. What was that? Made some money on LEJU. Big account is making numbers, but the small account is challenging my every existence. The last 2 days. Well, I did say you can trade pump and dumps. You trade them right. This one wasn't the right way to trade it. You could have got it in the very beginning, 7 a.m. That's about it. I don't be up there early trading stocks. It's terrible. I'm eager to get out of this stock and take my loss and be done with it. Quit trading Asian stocks, Joe. Funny part is, this is an Asian stock. 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 So all the stocks up top are Asian. This new candle came in just now. 15-minute candle right there. What money? That's money. What's that? LXEH. That's my green on LXEH. I think that's it. My large account. Let's see. Yeah. 5 green trades in my large account. Let me see. Our LEJU, LXEH, and TREX. Almost 20 grand over there. Meanwhile, I'm still stuck with our in my large account. But our in my large account, rephrase that. Our in my small account. I bought our back here on the first screen, make a new high in my large account. I bought it here, ran up to 480, 490. I think I sold at 480 out the way. But over here, I'm stuck in it since back here because I'm making videos and I gotta show that you can make money with a small account. But you can, but it's very freaking difficult to do so. Large account, you can trade in half, like half your stocks right here. Then you pull back more, about half right there, run it up, your median, you're out the door. Your average down rather, out the door with some profit. Should be a green candle right here. Should be a bullish candle right here as well. It's way oversold, man. You can't short it. And it's way oversold. Why it's still failing? You can short it. It's way oversold. And it's still failing. Market manipulation at its finest. Let's bust that 550 mark. 450 mark. I'm looking right here, the micro pullback. Micro bullish move. Way below my I'll hop out in a second because it just doesn't want to. There we go. Green bar. Just need 2 or 3 green bars to get me out of this thing. It's almost 950. Holy crap. I'm still trading. It's being pushed down on purpose, man. I promise you it is. It's being forced down on purpose. Because none of these moves make sense. How does a 250% overall movement lead to 3 hours of being bearish? That should never happen. And it's none to borrow, so you can't short it. So because you can't short it, how did it pull back that much? Make it make sense. I don't care about losing 13, 14 bucks and I'm killing it in my other accounts. But this video stuff is getting kind of irritating knowing the market is fixed the way it is. Not losing at all in other accounts. This is a small account. Trying to do things textbook when at a time where textbook stuff isn't working. You have to do this, go with the flow. This kind of market where people who don't know what they're doing just come up. Because nothing is going the way it's supposed to. It's what gunslingers make a lot of money at. I'm about to put a sell order in and then end the video because I'm at an hour and I can't stand making videos more than an hour. For one, take forever to upload. For two, that's way too long making videos. So Stay green. Don't be greedy.